Today we will be going over the 1 rep max assessment and the push-up assessment. The 1 rep max assessment will be completed on bench. For completing any 1 rep max assessment, you should complete a 5 to 10 minute low intensity aerobic exercise warm-up. Then you should follow this with a few repetitions at a light weight of whatever the exercise you will be doing. Here we see that done on bench. The initial weight that you attempt should be about 50 to 75% of your perceived capacity. You will then attempt your 1 rep max. In the video, I completed 3 repetitions, which means my 1 rep max was not reached. It is important to rest 3 to 5 minutes after completing an attempt. If the 1 rep max was not achieved, it is important to increase the weight by 2.5 to 20 kilograms. Attempts should be continued until the lift cannot be performed unassisted or with proper technique. 1 rep max should be achieved within 4 sets of repetitions. Again, increase the weight by 2.5 to 20 kilograms between attempts. The 1 rep max will be recorded as the heaviest weight lifted successfully with proper technique through the full range of motion. The 1 rep max obtained can then be used to determine the strength to weight ratio, which helps categorize people's fitness. This ratio uses the weight pushed in pounds during the 1 rep max divided by the body weight in pounds. Another method for determining 1 rep max is using reps to fatigue. This is a submaximal testing as opposed to maximal testing, which requires the participant to work until volitional fatigue. A submaximal testing should be used in individuals that are sedentary, in adolescents, and for older populations. When completing reps to fatigue, the participant should complete 2 to 10 repetitions. The predicted 1 rep max may be determined by using the following equation. Using the weight lifted divided by 1.027 minus 0.0278 times x, where x is the number of reps performed. We will now continue with the push-up assessment. The full body push-up position includes hands pointing forward and under the shoulder. The back must be kept straight and the head up. The toes are used as the pivotal point. Exhaling should occur when the participant is pushing away from the floor or returning to the up position. The maximal number of push-ups performed consecutively without rest is counted as the score. For the modified push-up, the knees are used as the pivotal point. The back is kept straight, hands are shoulder width apart and face forward, and the head is up. The chest must touch the mat in order for the push-ups to count. Both tests are terminated when the participant is unable to maintain the appropriate exercise technique for 2 or more repetitions.